here's some air conditioners. Here's a Lennox and a York that's running. York. That's quite a heat load coming off of there. A Lennox. It has a loud compressor. Let me look at the... What in the world? Fan just shut off. And it's like 79 degrees. 79, 80 degrees. That's not warm enough for a low ambient kit. That is like super hot. That is super hot air. I think that's a Bristol reciprocating compressor. It's an A.O. Smith fan motor. It's a 3.5 ton. And I do not know how to read Yorks, so that's weird. Yeah, it's an A.O. Smith fan motor. It's an old York, but it is too warm for a low ambient kit. Yeah, it's too warm for a low ambient kit, so I do not know. That's cold and sweaty. That sounds like a Bristol compressor. Yeah. This Lennox is off currently. Let me feel if it's been running or not. Let me feel. Suction line is over here. No, this one has not been running. There's the filter dryer for this one, and then the filter dryer for this York. The compressor in there is a scroll compressor. It's 4-bladed, and it's being blown a little by the wind. Can't find a brand on the fan. I do not know what just went on with that York, because the fan is not doing it again. It's just on now. That's, whatever this is called. Yeah, it's a 3.5 ton. I think it's a Bristol compressor. And there's that Lennox. There's more. There's more at this building. None of them are on over here, but here's an old Bryant. Yep, it's a Bryant. And it wiggles a little. And here's a Lennox. See? Oh my gosh. This one just started up. It started up. The fan isn't running. The fan isn't running. If I had a stick, I would try to start it. Let's see if... Bad capacitor? Compressor ain't running. What? The fan didn't come on. It's putting off the heat load already. It's got a blanket. Oh, no, there it goes. Do not know what just happened. Yeah, I don't know. Oh my gosh, this one just started up too. 3 startups? Oh, wait a minute. This fan just shut off. What is going on with these air conditioners? This fan didn't start up either. And it's too warm for a low ambient kit because it's 80 degrees outside. It's 80. So that is too warm for a low ambient kit. Do not know why these air conditioners think it's below 55 degrees. AC number 5 upstairs. This is a 5-ton. Oh no, there goes the, oh gosh, this is super hot air. 2017 R410A refrigerant, I think. Oh nope, this fan motor just cut back off. I don't understand, folks. Can you tell me why these air conditioners think it's below 55 degrees when it's really 80 degrees? And it is not warm enough for it is not cold enough for a low ambient kit at all. It's weird. I don't know what's going on with this or this. Why are these on low ambient kits? Is it a low ambient kit? They're with the fan on the Lennox. Do not know what's going on here. Yeah, I don't know. That's weird, but there might be more on the other side of the building. I'm gonna go look on the other side. Okay. Yeah. I do not know why those are in low ambient kits because it is way too warm for a low ambient kit. It's 80 degrees outside. So tell me, why are these in low ambient kits? I want to see if there's any more. Oh yeah, I do hear something else running. Wait, do I? Oh yep, there is something else. There's another York that has I think it's a Bristol compressor. It's a recip. It has not been running. It's a 3.5 ton. It's a York LX series. And yeah, that's a Bristol. That's a Bristol reciprocating compressor. It's a York. Yeah, it's a York LX series air conditioner. Fan motor is an A.O. Smith. Huh. I don't know why those others are in low ambient kits. Can you please tell me? But I caught 2 startups. I really just caught 2 startups in one video. Caught a startup of a Lennox and a Bryant. And the Lennox and the Bryant are on low ambient kits. And the York that's running. And it's 80 degrees outside. Why? Like, I'm sweating already. And these air conditioners on low ambient kits? Yeah, yeah, please tell me.